So, have you ever wondered or have you ever think of where do animals make love, get their food supplies, and even where do animals stay? So, today we'll talk about the factors affecting animal species, breeding sites, food supplies, and territory. So, first is the breeding sites. Breeding sites are needed for growth and protection of young animals. And then also, breeding sites is a place where animals breed or to which they return to breed. This is also where they can live or their so-called home, and this could be their territory. Some animals need specific areas to breed, just like swan. Swan prefers to saltwater ponds as their breeding sites, and then high animal diversity is found in areas that varied topographical nature. So what is topographical nature? This is a detailed map of the surface features on land that includes mountain, hills, creeks, and other bumps and lumps on a particular hunk of earth. So also, there are two types of breeding, the inbreeding and the outbreeding. So what is the inbreeding? This refers to the mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed, just like the example of a cow and a bull. They're more closely related. And then the outbreeding, this refers to the breeding of unrelated animals, either of the same breed or different breeds or even different species. For an example is the breeding of horse and cow. This is those kind of outbreeding is more likely for experiment. So those are the types of types of breeding, and those are the information about breeding sites.
Food production or food supply, growing feed for animals depletes land, energy, and other resources that could be used more efficiently to grow food directly for people. Plants are storehouses of energy, but when they are fed to animals, only a small percentage is converted into meat, milk, or eggs. Livestock production is likely to be adversely affected by climate change, competition for land and water, and food security at a time when it is most needed. So, global climate change is primarily caused by greenhouse gas or GHG emissions that result in warming of the atmosphere. Examples of this is the care of cows and calves, animals sold or sold for meat, animals maintained outside the farm, kind of management system, quantity and breed of animals, type of animal housing, manure treatment, milking parlor operations, and milk storage on the farm are all part of animal production and milk production. So, these are the factors of affecting food supply: climate, technology, pest and disease, pesticides, water, stress, irrigation, conflict, and poverty.
everyone, this is Ako Burhana, and today I'm going to tell you the factors affecting the animal species in terms of their territory. So, some animals are territorial and need large areas for feeding, mating, and protecting their young. So I have 2 examples. So the number 1 is the Philippine eagle. So the Philippine eagle is a solitary and firstly territorial. So a pair of Philippine eagles may require at least 7,000 hectares of forest to survive. So forests may exist, but if they become too fragmented and too small, it will lose the ability to meet even the minimum ecological need of a pair and their growing young. So the number 2 example is the geese. So let's watch the video. There is a high animal distribution where there is a room to occupy territory and defend against other members of this species. So let's watch the example video.